Morning guys, how you doing? Hope you're all okay. Well, today I'm heading back towards the coast, and that's a bit nippy to say, and I'm a bit late getting out. So the sun's up, we've got this blue sky everywhere, so I've no idea what the photography conditions are going to be like when I get down there. But anyways, yeah, I've just parked. It's a National Trust car park, a place called Spyway, which is all part of Langton Travers. So that's handy. And I was just chatting to a local, and it's probably about a mile just down the road there. So yeah, so I've not been here before, so it's as much an adventure for me as it is for you guys. So I'm just gonna grab my gear and then I'll meet you down there. Catch you in a bit. Okay guys, well I hope you can hear me because it's really noisy here with the waves crashing around, but I'm here at a place called Dancing Ledge, which is right on the coast, down the south coast on the southwest walk, and it's not a particularly well known spot I don't think, so I've not heard many people talk about it. Certainly not seen that many photographs of it, but it's lovely. It's another disused quarry. I'm about 1.5 miles or so from Winspit Quarry, where I was the other week. And the difference with this one is that with Winspit, they were able to get the rock out by road, whereas here, there's no road access at all, so they're able to get it by the sea. And I guess they'd had some kind of block and tackle kind of system set up. Well, I can't actually get down onto the ledge because the tide's coming in, and we just can't get down there. But having said that, it's one of those places where there's just loads of photographic opportunities. And the thing is, I left my telephoto lens at home, so I was having to use the 50mm just to try and get in a bit closer to get some of the waves crashing against the rocks. But you know, let's just use it as a scouting mission, I guess, because I've not been here before and it's great. So but it's really bright. It's probably getting on for midday now, so I've got all the harshness of the light. But what I've done is I've kind of been zooming in, not with 50mm prime, so I've kind of been using that to get in as close as I can without having too much of the sky in. So anyways, but like I say, you've got rock faces there, you've got waves crashing against the rocks, you've got some vistas here. You know, if you want to get some close-up stuff, you can do that. There's actually a little pool down there, which I believe in the 1900s, the headmaster of the local school had it blown out so the kids could come and swim in the pool. It's still used now. I'm looking down at it. I obviously can't see it very well because the tide's coming in. But you imagine that in this day and age, blasting a great big hole in the rock and getting the kids to come down. It was quite a walk down. It's even much more of a walk back, you know, just to have a swim in the sea. But there you go. Things are different in them days. But yeah, I'll crack on and see what kind of images I can. I've had a go at a couple of shots. I was over there just now to my left, and I've just taken some over here. If you look behind me, I don't know if you can see it or not on the camera, but I don't know if it's where they've dug the stone out or it's just natural erosion. There's like a kind of a cut out in the cliff, and the waves are coming in, and as they're hitting it, they're kind of sweeping round. And yeah, so like I say, there's loads of stuff here. Hopefully I've got a couple of good shots to show at the end, but I'm not holding my breath. But yeah, awesome place. And I'm definitely, I know we quite often say, oh, well, I'll definitely come back again, and probably never do, but I'm definitely have to come back again because it's just brilliant. It's just absolutely brilliant. So anyways, crack on and see what we can get. Okay guys, well I'm going to call it a day now. I've had a wonderful time here today. Shame I didn't bring me telephoto lens, but let's just use it as like a scouting mission show because it's the first time I've been here, so now I know what to kind of look for, what to expect. I'll become a bit more prepared. Anyways, got a bit of a climb back because it's uphill from here all the way back to the car. Anyways, yeah, so from the Dancing Ledge down on the south coast, just want to say thanks again for watching, thanks for listening, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.